Welcome. This is English Waec year 2020 objective past question. Question number 70. The instruction here says shows the word or group of words that best complete each of the following sentence. And then to question number 70, the sentence here says you cannot come between my sister and dash. You cannot come between my sister and dash. Option A says myself. Option B, me. Option C, I. Option D, mine. This question is from pronoun, and that's why I told us that the foundation of grammar is the ABC of English language, or the element of English language popularly known as part of speech. So this question is from pronoun, and of course in pronoun we have what we call cases. That's what we call cases in pronoun, and cases in pronoun here we simply means that we have what we call subjective pronoun, and then the second case is what we call objective pronoun. So all the pronouns under the subjective can start a sentence, that is, can serve as a subject of a sentence. In a class of subject we always say that every grammatical sentence must have a subject and predicate. So subjective pronoun can serve as a subject of a sentence, and that's why we say pronoun is a word, or pronouns are a group of words that can actually replace a noun or function instead of a noun. So, and the objective form of pronoun are those set of pronouns that takes or receives the action of verb, that is, that the action of verb affected. For instance, the teacher slapped him. The teacher slapped him. So him here as pronoun is objective. Then the teacher here is a subject. Then we can also replace this teacher with a subjective pronoun form. One can say I slapped him. I slapped him, because I is subjective. So and then you, the word you is both subjective and objective. The word you is both objective and subjective, and that's why the plural of you is you. Now, you cannot come between my sister and I, not me, not my, not myself, is I. You cannot come between my sister and I. That is, maybe the speaker here is trying to prove to somebody that you cannot cause trouble or be a troublesome between he or she and his or a sister. So, and that's why I say you cannot come between my sister and I. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.